Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing a beautiful U-part wig from UNice hair, and if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. So I did do a deep condition before I installed this U-part because I knew I was going to be having heat on my hair to flat iron it. So I just wanted to make sure that my hair was deep conditioned and moisturized before I had to style it. So that's just what my hair is now. I put my hair in buns so the conditioner can sink in, and then I rinse that out. This is my hair rinsed out, no product. After spraying my hair with some heat protectant, I do go in and blow dry on a low setting so I can get this foundation right for this U-part wig, okay? With the U-part wig, you do want to have leave out. So I literally just leave about an inch of hair out. You guys can leave out more hair if you want, or less hair, but don't forget you have to have enough hair to cover like that start of the U-part wig, where the tracks start, and that's what helps it give it like that sew in, that natural look. And when it comes to leave out, I also do my side leave out, so like my front perimeter, because when the wind blows, or if I want to do more styles like braiding the sides down or wearing it up in a ponytail, having the side leave out really helps with that. You guys can leave out less than what I'm doing, but because my hair is a little finer, I do try to make bigger sections of leave out because it helps to blend a little more. So again, you can leave out less hair, but this is just what I'm doing. And I'm very cognitive of how much hair is out and how much heat I'm going to be using on it. So I repeat that same process on both sides, and then I get ready to braid down the rest of my hair. If you do not know how to braid to the scalp, you guys can do some plaits, you can do flat twists, however you need to get your foundation flat. Whatever works best for you will work for this U-part wig. One big suggestion that I'm going to mention, this is my second time installing a U-part wig. I did learn from my first install that I would have liked an anchor braid. So in this next clip, I'm going to section off a small section of hair near my middle leave out to serve as my anchor braid. So you guys will see that right now in this next clip. I am simply taking my rat tail comb and parting off a small section of hair around my leave out, and I'm going to braid that down, and that will serve as my anchor braid. So it helps to give the U-part a better foundation, more security for something for it to attach onto. I love that I was able to learn that from trial and error, because my first U-part wig was like lazy girl friendly. You stick it back in a low bun and throw it on, it'll be good to go. This is kind of the same thing, just with a more secure foundation. Again, if you can't braid to the scalp, you guys can do tight flat twists, or you can actually do some plaits and pull them plaits back to a low bun, and your U-part wig can still attach on to the start of your plaits. After I braid down both anchor braids, I then go in and just do some big braids. I mean, they don't have to be perfect. It's going to be under this U-part wig just to help flatten my hair out. I am going to go ahead and flat iron my side leave out. I do use heat protectant whenever I'm using heat on my hair. Please make sure you use some heat protectant. But on to this wig, y'all. This is a 22-inch body wave U-part wig from UNice hair. The texture is so silky. I love the density on it. And to be honest, at first I was afraid that it might not blend with my hair, because my hair is like a jet black. I do that to keep my hair looking healthy, and this wig is like a natural black, natural like 1B, but it blends very well. And I love that it has combs instead of clips, because I feel like the combs give it a little more security and a little better of a grip when you push them in, and they're as easy as 1, 2, 3. One little hack that I do to a lot of my wigs or my U parts so far, I have a small head. Like, it's not tiny, but it's small. So I did have like the start of the leave out section to be kind of flappy. The only thing I'm gonna do is take some scissors and literally cut that little piece off. No, it does not alter the wig or messes up how it shapes my head. It actually makes it better because I want that wig to start at the end of my leave out. So that's all I did there. Now I will be going in with some more of my heat protectant, and I'm going to go ahead and flat iron out my middle section and style as desired. I do use my styling tools on a low setting whenever I'm working with my natural hair. Right now it's on 320. That's very low. It's not causing a lot of heat to be on my hair, so I love it. All right. I only flat iron to get it straight. I wasn't trying to get it bone straight or anything like that because I personally like the volume that natural hair gives when it's not bone straight. And the heat protectant serves as like a styler also, so it'll help it not foof up and get poofy. I'm just going to be adding in some light curls. When you have wavy hair, it's best to actually blow dry your hair out first and get out the waves before you curl it. But this was just something quick that I was doing, and I wanted to see how the curls would hold up with it still being in its wavy state. So I'm just adding some light curls. And I also went in and flipped my natural hair to give it like that banged layered effect. And this is how we're looking. And let's just say I love this install, y'all. It's giving me very much, you know, sew-ins, you know, from back in the day vibes, because I haven't had this style and this look in so long. Here's a view of how I curled or flipped my bang area for my leave out with some of the U-part wig, and I just love the look that gives when you flip your bangs back. Alright guys, that is it for this video. This is the final results, and let's just say I'm in love with it. Okay, I love it. I love it. I love it. I have no cons so far with this hair. I'm looking forward to seeing how it would look straightened. You see it's not going anywhere. It's very sturdy and in place. Thank you guys again for watching. All the information on this hair will be in the description box, and if you found it helpful, you should give me a like and come on and take off with me by subscribing to my channel. Stay up to date and get more content from me. And until next time, bye guys.